In this session, I'll talk to you about drag and drop scheduling. Drag and drop scheduling enables you to easily edit the date and time of an event or a reoccurring event. And I'll go ahead and I'll show you how to do that now. So from the main dashboard view, you're looking at your upcoming events. Either you're listed as a requester or a scheduler. You can click one of those to open up your event. So for my example, I will open the events where I'm listed as a scheduler. All right, once it opens up, find the event you want to change the date and time for. For my example, I will use Ops Meeting. From this view, go ahead and click the Schedule tab. Once you click the Schedule tab, you now are looking in the Schedule view. So from looking at this, it looks like I have 4 reoccurring events. If I right-click this event here, options appear. So there's Occurrence Delete, Occurrence Copy, Occurrence Details, Event Details, and Open and Wizard. Schedule view is merely the view you're looking at right now. So I'll start from the top. Occurrence Delete. If you want to delete all of your occurrences, this is how you do it. Do not use this feature if you're just trying to cancel one occurrence. Occurrence Copy. If you want to copy the room in addition to the resources for that particular occurrence, this is how you do it. And I'll show you how to do it now. So just click Occurrence Copy and you see it highlights red. That lets you know you are ready to move the copy. So just click on it and you can drag it to a different time and a different date. So for my example, I will go ahead and drag it to October 3rd or noon. And once it's done, it turns back to green. Now, if you want to extend the time, you can do that too. You just take your mouse to the edge here and you drag it to expand the time. So I'd say let's do 2:30. And then you click Update This Occurrence, and your new event occurrence time and date has been added and updated to your reservation. Now, if you right-click again for Occurrence Details, you get to see which room you've chosen, the time, and if you want to cancel that lone occurrence, this is how you do it. You just click the down arrow next to Active, and you click Cancel. And as you see, it disappeared. So now I just have these recurring events. If you right-click again, Event Details, this takes you back to the Details tab. If I click Schedule tab, it takes me back to where I was previously. If I right-click again, and if I click Open in Wizard, this opens the Event Wizard, and it takes me into the reservation. So if I want to get back, just hit the back button, and everything is still there. Now, it's important to note that you can move and drag and drop a reoccurrence all you want. But if you have a room reservation in Bob 500, Kenny Herter, Rome Auditorium, the Paul H. Nitze Suite, the Nitze Alcove, the Nitze Cafe, the Nitze Lobby, and the Nitze Courtyard, you will not be able to use the drag and drop after the room is approved. Each of those rooms that I named are all approval based. So before your room is approved by the events team, you are able to use the drag and drop. But after we approve the room, you won't be able to. You'll have to go in to edit your event in order to change the time and the date. All right, that wraps up the drag and drop.